Hello and welcome. In this short video, we will share the basic process for becoming a global trend investor. We shall identify and invest in the best bull markets in the world and ignore markets that are going sideways or going down. Becoming a successful trend follower is easier than you think. It is a straightforward and rational process because it's based on rules. In fact, this basis is a key requirement because momentum investing is a discipline that takes advantage of opportunities created by human nature. For this reason, it is hugely important that we follow these rules. Don't worry, they are very simple and easy to follow. We are going to compare global asset classes against one another and then invest in the top 25% with the strongest price trends. Simple. Since broad asset categories, like the ones shown here, typically move in multi-year cycles, trends that affect this group of investments change somewhat slowly and at a manageable pace for us to trade as momentum investors. Thankfully, each of these investments are neatly covered by a single ETF, so the measuring and trading can be rather straightforward. Let's put those ETF ticker symbols up next to their respective asset classes. Don't worry about writing anything down. This information is all available on the website, and this is a hypothetical portfolio anyway, so let's not get lost in the details. Assuming that the order on the screen is the actual output for the trend strength measuring process, we will use this ranking to determine which ETFs are showing the strongest trend. The asset classes at the top of the list are showing the strongest trends, and the asset classes at the bottom of the list are showing the weakest trends. Let's also highlight in green the top 25% of the list. These asset classes are the ones we are going to buy. The red line indicates the median of the universe, half above, half below. This will be our sell discipline, and we will see it at work in a moment. As the market trades and prices of assets change, we carefully watch how the trend strength of these various asset classes change. Okay, stop right there. Take a look at what just happened. US equities, SPY, is now in the 7th position, which means that its trend strength ranking is no longer in the top half of our investment universe. According to our portfolio construction rules, when an asset class that we own no longer is in the top half of our global universe, we must sell and replace that holding. As far as we are concerned, that trend has ended. Looking at the ranking, we see that we should sell the US equities ETF and buy the new trend leader that we don't own yet, which is global real estate. This process will ensure that we are always identifying and investing in the top global asset trends. In the next videos, we will talk about the measuring process and universe construction, both of which are very important. But if you can understand this process, great job! You are already on your way to becoming a global trend follower.